Hey folks, today I'm checking out the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 series milligram 3770/40, a real reliable workhorse in the grooming world. Right now has it priced at about $29.99, and some retailers like SmartPre even list it as low as $21.96. What makes this little dynamo stand out is its 15-piece kit that covers pretty much every grooming need: beard, hair, nose, and even ear, without needing blade oil. According to Philips, it comes with 3 trimmers, 8 guards, and 9 length settings, making it versatile for everything from sharp stubble to longer styles. And customers love how low maintenance it is. Many have used it for over 4 years with 0 issues. Let me tell you, from a tech vlogger's perspective, this feels like that dependable friend who always shows up when you need them. Reviewers often comment how it performs as advertised, and despite a slightly stiff on-off switch, it ticks all the right boxes for ease, durability, and value. So if you want a grooming toolkit that's no fuss, wallet-friendly, and packed with options, this Multigroom 3000 is definitely worth a look. And as always, we share buy links in the description box so you can grab one easily and get styling.